Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Coinbase using device management and Passkeys. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Coinbase using device management and Passkeys, first, open your web browser and navigate to the Coinbase login page. Enter your registered email address and click on the Continue button. Next, you will receive an email prompting you to verify your identity. Check your inbox for the verification email and open it. Click on the verification link contained in the email. This will redirect you back to the Coinbase platform. You may be prompted to enter your password. After entering your password, look for the device management option in your account settings. Navigate to the security section and select Device Management. Here, you can view all devices currently linked to your account. To add a new device, click on the Add Device button. You will need to confirm your identity again, typically via a two-factor authentication code sent. Once you receive the code, enter it into the designated field. After successful verification, follow the prompts to set up device management for the new device. Now, to utilize Passkeys, go to the security settings again. Look for the Passkeys option and click to enable it. You may need to provide a secure method for citation, such as scanning your fingerprint or using facial recognition. Follow the instructions on the screen to register your chosen authentication method. Once set up, you can now use your passkey to log in more securely. When returning to Coinbase, simply choose the passkey option on the login screen. This will prompt your device to verify your identity through the method you selected. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated with Coinbase using device management and Passkeys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.